Text us tayo bigyan ni Bernie, no?
I said like 7.
Okay, we'll see.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Yung aton siguro yung boss nasa mga.
Iso ka nga tuwan di boss na.
Ay, nakita na ganito.
Ganito po. Dami. Nice. We dropped Melody in Laguna today for their Christmas party. And then while waiting for her, we decided to drive all the way here in Tagaytay. And going to have a dinner here at this place. It's beautiful.
Learning how to stand when the ground gives out. Getting used to quiet when the noise dies down. I can see the damage when I look around, but I'm still here breathing, so I'm here for now. If I could step outside my head and tell myself what I know now, find something you
They have a nice view of the lake. We got our appetizers. This is pusit sisig and Shanghai. There's 3 different kinds in there. And then we got our main meal. This is the house pancit. Bulalo, so big. And the crispy pata. Press. Ano to, piyaya? Na-order ba? Nasa menu ba to? Nasa menu? Oh, wala po. Oh, pero pwedeng mag-order.
Sa server na lang.
Oh, sa server. I see. Okay. They're making fresh piyaya. Wow, ang lalaki naman ng ano nito. Malayda ako party.
As a business school engineering,
I ordered some piyaya. This is freshly made. Ang bilis namin kumain. We're going home now. We are back here in Laguna, waiting for Melody. Sounds like she's still having a good time. They have a shuttle also. Daming bus na nag-pick up. Tapos na ang Christmas party. Gutom na kami. Dito kami sa Shake Shack. Ayan. We're hungry. to Bumbong.
O yung bibingka? Meron silang regular bibingka lang. Baka ka na.
I don't know.
Naawa sila sa akin, dito ba din ka?
Ilabi mo.
Our last day here in BGC. We're going home tomorrow. We enjoyed our stay here for 7 weeks. But before going to the airport tomorrow, we are staying at Hilton Manila for a day pass because we have a late flight. So we just gonna walk one more time here, going to Bonifacio High Street, or they call it Central Square. It is such a perfect weather to walk around here. It's not. Are you sweating? I'm not. You're sweating too? It's not even hot.
It's hot.
No, I don't feel hot.
Can we cross?
It's like a Shibuya crossing.
When everything's falling out, it's love, that pulls you back somehow. I gave all my time to the wrong mistakes.
We are back here for just a day. Hilton, Manila. We're just having breakfast here at the Executive Lounge, which is free.
We're doing a day stay.
Yeah, we're doing a day stay before going to the airport tonight.
Tried to run fear, but it always stayed. Every open road still feels the same, but I'm learning now it's okay to change. If I could rewind the nights, I'd tell myself I'll be alright. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the
We're back here again for just a day. You're on your PJs. That's the pool. They give us macarons.
That's your signal, so you know already.
you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling out, it's love.
We're going to have a snack. Hi, good afternoon. We're going to buy snack here at the Executive Lounge. There's a free refreshment. This is what I got. Salmon sandwich and croissant. I'll get some drinks later.
When everything's falling out, it's love, 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 that pulls you back somehow. Love, when you're barely holding on. Love, when the feeling's gone.
Checking out. We're heading to the airport now.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's a mixed emotions. It's probably gonna take a long time again before we come back here.
For you guys.
For us, yeah, maybe for you next year again.
Maybe
For a
in a
business
few
trip.
months.
In a few months? Oo.
I need a break.
Tell your boss. At the same time, I am excited to go home. Go, anak. Mel. Oh. Tapos na ang bakasyon.
Sarap. Magastos.
Oh, everyday, gastos.
Ganun talaga ang buhay. Next year na ulit, sir.
Hopefully.
Siguro in 2 years.
Mag-iipon-ipon
2
muna.
years pa?
Yes.
Tagal naman yun.
45 years na ako
Kasi-
nagantay.
I know, 45 years siya bago umuwi.
Bago umuwi ngayon lang?
Oo.
Oh, grabe.
Pero 7 weeks naman.
7 weeks.
Oo, 7 weeks kami dito.
Sinulit din namin.
Din, sir, no?
Puros lahat na bago na. Parang ibang bansa na nga eh.
Oo, ano?
Oh, Vanna, yeah.
Imagine mo yun?
Hindi
Siguro
ganito
nung
ka-traffic,
umalis ka
no?
dito, wala pa to eh.
Wala ho.
Baka wala pa, yeah.
Wala talaga.
Noon nag-ano eh. Nagja-jogging pa kami papuntang Luneta, Santa Mesa, walang kotse.
Oo. Ngayon,
Yeah, bata pa kami noon.
ngayon, akala mo, layo-layo na, napaka-traffic na papunta.
Oo,
Maano
traffic.
pa maglakad.
Oo, mas mabilis pa.
Ganon.
Grabing traffic talaga mo.
Kasi may kotse kami sa Antipolo.
Opo.
Pero,
Traffic.
ang inilala ko naman, sobrang traffic.
Oo,
Papuntang Mesa.
nakakatamad bumiyahe.
Yeah.
Lalo na pag kotse, mas maganda pa motor.
Yeah.
Mabilis.
Sabi mo.
We are here now at the airport. Bye. Thank you. Silver Cruise Lounge. What's that? Let me see. What? You don't have enough space. What do they have? Oh. Oh, looks good. What is? Looks good. Hmm. Oh, those looks good. Oh. Nang. Ada ti wine da. Kaya mo ti wine? They have a good food. I love it. Wow, Mel. Is that your third plate already? Oh, second. Finally boarding.
The closest I've been ever is what?
Yeah. It's mine? Okay. Finally going home.
Because I'm not
Oh, you ready to sleep?
Cali first. It's a 12-hour flight. So
gonna skip dinner. I'm not gonna. Yeah, I told the lady. I said I gained so much weight here. Dad. Good morning.
Marami tulog.
Yes, you did. Yeah. No? Ikaw maraming tulog, tsaka si Melody. Ang nanay mo hindi natutulog. I think ngayon tulog siya, oh. Bibihis na si Melody. This is my meal before landing. We're almost home. 1 more hour. I skip my dinner last night. I got the tofu.
Mami? Yeah.
Tofu? Huh? I didn't like it. I'm just gonna eat the rice.
Learning how to stand when the ground gives out. Getting used to quiet when the noise dies down. I can see the damage when I look around, but I'm still here breathing, so I'm here for now.
Welcome to San Francisco. The local time is 7:45 p.m. and it is still Tuesday, January 6th.
Just want to show you the Airbnb that we rented here at Tower 1 Uptown Park Suites here in BGC. It's really nice. It has wash and dry.
Okay.
This is the living room. It has 2 bedrooms. That's Mel's bedroom. Bathroom. And this is where we slept. Me and hubby. Has a nice view. That's the second bathroom. Oh, and by the way, this is condo 17B. Just in case we wanna come back here again and rent Airbnb. We're going to look for this. Okay, we are back in BGC. And this is the Airbnb that we got. Maganda rin siya. Di ba, Mel? Gusto daw ni Mel to. Kitchen. Bathroom. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. Yeah, and this is a corner unit. Kaya magandang view. Merong balcony. This is the 3rd Airbnb condo that we rented here in BGC, Uptown Park Suites 23A. It has 2 bedroom and 2 bathroom. This is the kitchen. It has washer. I was able to wash our clothes.
Find a place you can return to. Find a true